Hi, this is Deepak. Today we will create a creative background blur in Photoshop. When you have selected background layer, press Ctrl or Command J. Then go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters and then press OK. Then go back to the filter, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. Bring the point at the way to the top and bring the point to the bottom. With the help of the middle point, we will create a curve. Now we will create another line. Click and drag from the top to the bottom and then do the same thing. This is how it works. Set the value of speed 115% and taper would be at around 20% in my case. So now if you are satisfied with all this, just click on OK. Now click on the mask button right here and select the brush with hardness 0, opacity 100%, flow 100% and make sure that the foreground color should be black. To mix the color with the background, you need to paint over face and chest area with black just like that. That makes your image pop among the blurry web background. With a few more tweaks, we have a fantastic background effect in Photoshop. Thanks.